Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can do hard reset or factory data reset on phone Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. First of all, switch off your phone. Just long press this power button and click on power off option. Your phone will be switched off. Now you have to use three buttons: power button, volume up button, and one another extra button here. So you have to press these three buttons together to initiate hard reset. See the demo now. Press power button, volume up button, and one another extra button. Press and hold for few seconds. Yes, reset menu has come. Here you have to select fifth option, wipe data factory reset. Move with volume down button. Press volume down button and will move. Now you have to select second option. For confirming, use power key. Yes, wipe data is going on. It's wiped out. And select first option, restart now. The phone will be restarted. Now you have to set your phone from the scratch. Select the language here and click next. Click skip wherever possible. Checking for updates. Click on don't copy. Just a second. Checking info. And you can sign in into Google account this time. Otherwise you can sign in later. Accept terms and conditions from Google. You can set password like anything here. Otherwise you can set later. Just click on skip. You can also select all of these apps. Otherwise you can unselect all of them. And click skip here. Click on finish. Yes, phone setup has been finished. So this way you can easily hard reset or factory data reset your phone Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.